Assertion given is Hi, hydrogen iodide, reacts readily with alkenes than hydrogen fluoride. And reason given is aqueous hydrohalogen acids are used to prepare alkyl halides from alkenes. So these are two different statements. So we can rule out option A and option B. First, we can rule out option A. First, because these are two different statements, definitely reason will not be the correct explanation for the uh, assertion. Now we have to check both assertion and reason are correct or not. First, going to assertion. First, going to assertion. What is given? Hi reacts readily with alkenes. Hi reacts readily with alkenes, then HF. First, let us check Hi. What is alkene? It contains double bonds. For example, CH2 double bond CH2. When it is made to react with Hi and HF. So, because of the bigger size of I, what happens? The Hi bond is weaker. Here, HF bond is strong. Since it is weaker, we can easily break this bond can be broken easily, and Hi readily react with alkene, giving the alkyl halide, that is CH3 CH2I than HF, because HF the bond is strong. The assertion given is correct. Then going on to the reason, it is given aqueous hydrohalogen. So hydrohalogen is, let us take HCl aqueous and HCl gas. Here aqueous hydrohalogen acids are used to prepare alkyl halides. So what is an alkyl halide? It will be, for example, I am writing a CH3 CH2 Cl. It is an alkyl halide. Alkene, let us take for alkene ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. This is an example. So what is the question? When this is made to react with alkene? In the case of aqueous, there may be production of OH minus ion. So this OH minus ion will interfere and you can get an alcohol CH3 CH2OH. But in the case of HCl, you will be getting the alkyl halide. This H2O, in the case of aqueous, this H2O act as a nucleophile to produce alcohol. So if we need an alkyl halide, instead of using aqueous means what? Something dissolved in water. Aqueous, dry gas is used. So the reason given is wrong. The reason given is wrong. The statement of the reason is wrong. We are using dry hydrohalogen acids to produce the alkyl halides. So the option is C. That is, assertion is true but reason is wrong, and the option is C.